Obuya no tuweta mbere kwatana na unikire mubango oyo akuokia ningu wikirite wirana tuketha twina MCA o municipality MUTETHIA na Caleb no mo barabara ingirwe kiri committee ira barungamirite ya kaririti arare mukaririti wa finance dene ya bunge ya county ya Meru, lakini as we speak wena bangi baro bantuo bamurogocho ni bethirite bakinga tokirite biomo na Jacob Mwirigi wa Kibiritia na bangi thai tukwaria iba kuthamba ruro cumbi na bo mheshimiwa na bangi ba shughuli ni tio ya kawaida na bangi kinya bare Meru rukuruguru wa mbunge ri rukendelea kwara Meru mwankari ibari 13 thaibe 20 ende bari waba kuonero no tuiba support kawira mwangaza it's so mheshimiwa right on time akendera uchokeria biure B na kidira ndo ichi assembly ri isu cia tuma Meru yone maendeleo ni ba impeachire kawira mwangaza ari ofisine no ntu bwa conservative ndasira cia yanirwe ni high court na yambarete ri kuito 3 mweri yoyo December. What is going on in Meru? Ndo ichi atethia IMCA bade baetikikania ringi kura baraba baere kura mwaka yo 2022 no ntu ni kuoneka yakaba baingi bade na personal interest rather than interest cia mwananchi oro ringire kura. Arana batukulu kura 40188 namba yetu SMS through live Facebook through live YouTube mkedra kido mantumidi chiaku oratu itana bere na mubango yo karibu sana mweshi.
Asante tena.
Nato feel bana bangi ba kuthamba roro sumu we mutindo
Kintu kiambere tembe one kwi kintu kimouga interest ye mtora to support ineri no taunyo the ultimate goal iri nembiji no mburire antra nta support kawira ndetha wandiru terero assembly kare antra ndende ngindira ndera ina interest irari. I'll tell you that interest oirango support the first time ndambiro mi support I still hold on it na ntachinchia the personality ya kweta chinchia not a single day non tutembe that twithirito na fight nene muno na let me thank Antoba Meru nunto they've been the people baraba to push it towards the fight ra twithirito ayo social media na media houses cia Meru ka media houses chionde nyachichingwa Weru TV included na Ogo included. You've been in a journey to liberate Meru at some point. No to kwe turakinyete tona no mwanka twaranirie no mwanka to make sure that we going to go karika. Nanga guchoke nyuma tembe ki interest cha Meru the financial year 2024-2025. No to that the conversation ya to particular to you. Ke budget year 2024-2025 ito marita twinde tu assembly. Tueja na sauti ya kuga no mwanka twithura na kintu gigwitwa itemized budget. Na uni tembe ndirandira chairman no finance na giteke gya finance ndikugwa botho kura ntunyikyo nonto kintu kiambere kira mu Meru abati kumenya nyombe assembly it's a house of democracy na that tuga majority of their way minority of their say tiato etere twaringirwe etiki tutonya ndutonyo rinda aringirwe etiki ya chairman of finance na the same people baraba ndingire etiki came to a point whereby they felt that maybe someone else needs to take the helm ya kudhoya chama noi ku une at a personal level dubaka iri kudhoya ndina gintu gikwigikane gikithoku nonto kigintu kirareo ndira savite na mtungia kwejambia ku it is now time to move on kumagigitikira. But the most also important thing kirampa mbere iturari to chukuma mantu jaita itemized budget na uni nkauma ndege gitekera ndi a proud person no tito asukumira mwanka Meru ethera ina itemized budget na rekura grado batio churia no tubagura to supportete na ikyo kuria kirote mtu kona churia buru Meru yonde to chukuma itemized budget. What has happened about the itemized budget? No to gindu kira serve mu Meru na the locals ti mantu agwita Mombasa kagwita na Nyuki kagwita na ara kagwitwo tina uri iketo supportete twitwinde as a team twachinda mwanka governor Kawira Mwangaza asakamire mantu ja itemized budget nunto ba unity ra tware ayaza na assembly no wata tembe kuna the implementation ya budget ile yoto batikuza thai tukioria where is it key public ina atomikinia ko these other small things gweta Mombasa kagura gweta Mombasa in fact it's not ya all kare kira kine to me nuntu budget ira ni kurukirwe. How is it serving the people? That's the most important thing. Na hiyo nioto batikutha twinde twi on the table tukiaraire tukora iru ina atumite nuntu ara turari no kurari antu ao itwakurukiria budget itemized itwarwira monka babu batutwaria twamikurukia na akariba Meru bongo ba tweta TV tionde twabera ndi twikurukia itemized budget twithithio chocho na me I don't have anything bad with my colleagues at any level. The only thing ira ndengigwa botho kwigukeja kwithirwa the service ira nkwenda twitira muntu o municipality iti omukinyira. That's why I want to be feeling that now I'm missing the point or I'm not serving the purpose.
Now takusaidia maji.
No,
no, mwish kankuri kiureke. Rira bwari were you 50 what?
59.
59. Na baba ange ba other side. Kinyama no participate kwenga bara bange bengirwe kiri committee.
Yes.
Roembero ratumiro kwenja bano ratumiro kinyo kwenja.
Nairondoga democracy in the assembly. Nairokuga oni I don't have any feeling in thoku. Nonto democracy dictates. Majority have their way, minority have their say. On this issue ya kwenga na assembly, narua itwengira mawira. Majority rinda. Narua majority rinda wetu alitwa mutuma. You never know tembegi siasa what might happen tomorrow. No jawi the area UDA to kuingia majority na tuga majority wetu tutuga tu sabu yawe mutuma bwaga kona to batu mwenge tangu to mwenga anguga that what
things in politics change very fast.
That's what I'm saying. So kugeja kuza majority baraba antari tegitiga finance no tugitiga finance datari committee anto 23 baraba ampingire ne anto 13 ndatigwa na anto 11 ko the 13 and their way, and I don't have anything bad about it. We fell short of 3 people, 4 people. Going forward, in chacha hapa kure uro komba endere uro kumba no. But apart from now our positions in the assembly, na tembe uni kwa nato area, itu akurukiti again to twin there as an assembly, and it was something that we televised. Tumara to me area, tumara to adidia, mantoja itemized budget. So
that is now where I want us to make our bet. Don't so argument ya your colleagues, but we were bitometa babu bwengo kiri committee buri chairpersons babu kabote kwenda governor I implement budget ye nonto babu abo side noe mantra assembly kwenda implemented abote kwenda implement na bote komba ku oversight tirikare nonto boy part of the executive
oni tembe ntijadiri oni geta skuru ka ange ko skuru ya kwerewa kukeja kwithirwa assembly ne kurukirie itemized budget ti governor no te ondreta nkala ndimbuga na ndun ko executive iyo ni kurukirie the itemized budget ndikale na tuga that everyone yunenkero ambecha fulani. In fact twanenkirete everyone that 6 million kaku yoko na nini cha 20, but I know within the course of time maybe cha choka kaire to that 3 million. I'm asking myself a very na yo kyoria kiran koria Meru na antegeta na narwa turani kyoria kitu tuikane weru ne me Meru na we omenarea tari timono tukara tuimuchenga au itwera Meru ma that tutukurukiria itemized budget uninde kare by itemized budget inkurukiria municipality nkeja kwithura antita yare ku implement budget yo nte bati kurira kaire nkiuga ingavana nuntu inkurukirie ti governor implementation ya any budget itithero MCA either executive, but we earned more like yendo tomba ikuga a round table understanding whereby the assembly was feeling that itu na ibyo bura tutetaira tembe tunenkirwe authority at least ya kuona bila tukuga tuthithie itunenkirwa mandate ya kuthi na tembe tingare yoni kwari ora tutetekanirite nundunya gwendera tukuga tatu yo wondine tutikuona rantu ngavana no kwija wondine agatwa akathithi cha tukugita twathi nande thatu kugeja kutha tukinda ngavana meyo ukari nkinda no tukinda ngavana monketi kiria gutunenkirete itemized budget to implement na ndo re tumukindite twigarurania kairi tumwikire iguru retu na ritwambi kurira kairi ngavana bimbi, yet we've not tried even implementing the same budget. A time has come ki the honorable members, my colleagues, achore bakwa barabe ki assembly batu in assembly abo na ndiko na twina any function between us and them. We are one thing. Nonto twinda tutari akure emo assembly ya kwitwa we member wa county assembly, the Thanda assembly ya Meru. Na ngore na thine assembly yetu iri na naru anga kwira thine ratu in assembly atukondorukia mandate ite yetu,
which is that
which is only ndani de municipality, lakini andiko ile ndani de senator twajukia lo kathuri senator Meru tukambi kwa thina nditha tukarani twi senator uni ntibati kumara ome boundaries cha municipality oversight yeto gweta oversight. If at all oversighting, it is within the boundaries of municipality. But when you start talking like ugana digwa senator, igwa governor, igwa women rep, my friend, ntiumbi kwethura ngisavi, mbati kwethura ngisavi the voice of the people.
Are you accusing your colleagues of overstepping their mandate?
Me have not. I'm saying as an MCA, mbati kwethura mandate ya kware kuthirira. Ndigi kwendikwa senator antiwe. Me tembe naru nyangeja TV ne woga mpamba we mbita senator ingugu chiothe yukuthithia.
Uri MCA of course.
Menya at the end of the day ndi MCA. Na nino tindi kumpamba na we mbona yana. Menya let me tell you another thing. Na it is the bitter truth. Naru atuguikana ka umene kidogo tu kenda tumbi kuendelea no tutwaka
umene
twaka twitiganirite mantu jaketha jathuki muno wateka Kawira Mwangaza supporters bonde baraba supportete Kirito baba ta supportete Kawira, they are against Kawira Mwangaza, and it is natural politically iwicho politics asiasa bonde ka na inendi umwe me unta supportete Kawira da supportete Mithikari Nturi na ndari nchame Mithikari Nturi ki the last elections bonde baraba supportete Mithikari Nturi bonde perutere rwa kura u bara bonde ba supporters ba munya nontunya munya na supporters ko the whole team ya munya Mithika Kirito nenya o ntwethinkia na supporters. So at the end of the day ukethiria supporters bara bonde bagwatene kinjumura mtura wonka kina ndi the common factor politically anku politically nkaju kwa buthuki politically ikawira monga. But kindu kirange ndi kwira my colleagues na wenda ndo kuria gikiuria next year because it's coming no to maybe kuria ura wirutera rwa Kawira next year theiria munya akejuge na ndinyo na kwena na naugire akethwe na supporters assembly katukambia ura supporters baraba be assembly because there would be a big division coming on very soon. Ara supporters bonde ba Mithika barabe assembly bageta murengo na rwa Mithika na utiumbo barigirie kethwe kario tsunami yo kivyake. Supporters ba munya barabe assembly bageta inyabongo ge function yao nei ndagwera manduru na tankuroria, but by next year you see even the voices ira tuinachion turene naja itithwa chi one voice chikithwa chi divided voices nuntu Mithika ena antu bawe munya ena antu bawe ntwethinkie ena antu bawe kathuri ena antu bawe o kitumo ene o kionthe okuigwa kou kitumo kiu kiagano mitanyangana na Kawira ena antu bae kou bakaeji kwithirwa twirwa nontu nau ni otumbi kwithwa tumisite the point na ni onkwenda gucoka kuya kwithirwa assembly itura nontu maybe untaringire kure kwenga Kawira and I had my own reasons, more like the reasons iria ndrona inyao reo rigathie ngawa kwi itawa Didi Nyoro nyena abstainire kure kwenga. There are reasons politically why we feel we abstain without voting. Nambuga tugende anga kwira one of the reasons kukeja kwithirwa unda ndi urwa nontu ntaringire kure kwenga Kawira kabara bangi twina vo 20 bara batengire Kawira then it means by next year nonto MCAs baba inabongo bena mirengo yao assembly ukairu mtu kwina antu bamithika kwi antu bamunya kwi antu bakathuri bathukana ri bakathuri abageta Mombasa bonka batiga bantu ethinke na bamunya irongo kwira the most important thing na ratu batikuta twigwata the point very clearly ni aja ndogira mantu jaite maist budget nonto ni ago tuthia twinda tukethwa twi equal ara twitirigu implement budget ira twetite twindi gukuru ini ago tuthia tu unify na way that guti budget ye kathuri guti budget ye munya budget yondi budget na ithithie twethwa ni tungwa tukurukite twithe twi house.
So mheshimiwa on budget issues tuikiri atukurike second quarter ya financial mwaka 2024-2025 right?
Mwaka December
ekirika first second quarter kuthira
6 months
ikethe kuthira tukambiria the third quarter from January.
Yes.
Babu kuibu kwenda kuimplement budget ira wakulukirie ya 33 million but ndiwe nyokiwe 33 20
kethwa meaku imbetire tiagitirwe ki meatu unia penda kuthithia mantu ni uma bwa kwanti ga chiairie kenda ruru ntikeji kwithirwa ngi kairwa ki mantu ntikwa rimbi gwikirwa kio one finance bill ira negitire mbecha nontu ne ri factant kimbecha itongerete almost 280 something million neti agiture finance bill ira gokurukwa. The second thing kwi nyamwira twita the next kilometer ithero hii nyathbe kotini thai chithwa chi 7 million ko keji gwita 7 million plus the 6 million ira chiagiture ke everyone ukoga 45 times 6 million ikeja 2 something 2 mbecha million ira chiekiricha finance bill ira twakurukaia ko kethiria kitha 3 million ira twambanjetite tugachita 7 million na 6 million iwi 13 million ko ukeji gwita 33 million minus 13 million iritigwa 20 million ko itibwa 33 million thai monka thai as we speak.
So now let's speak of that 20 million.
Yes.
For the last 5 months nwithirite we signed in governor. Yes. Na paraba angi burengiro abokri committee chia bunge imbi brombo kinyaneria tia mbesa hii despite that kuthirite kuna challenges pesa zithirite chereri plan is this 20 million in the last 5 months.
Robert Umburia tembe obati Umburia twikurukia the itemized budget ira twakurukia tu assembly nonto makosa jara ntikwenda tugwatanira ugwa najo igukaraja akakwiwe ura wiki governor eri na ndio gwatumira chiaku ura utiki governor na governor ndigwitika kwi mtu assign rainite era ugwa atumira ugwa in fact the other day ndigitwe era MCAs njoi tukarende tuambiri gwita to implement I was surprised the same assembly indi kira kiandikaririe buru in nominated members ibo barairi elected members na nominated member wote no 20 million ire kumugwata no ntotiwo ndi arungamirite nominated member is supportive more like a supportive staff ki assembly no ntotiwo iwandi ko nya mbechi kanengano cha wondi mbechi ko anengano cha implement na ndeze okeriria mheshimiwa nominated no kwareria elected leaders you get to wonder where are we ending kiwandi cha baba bakwarirwa nunturebera bwagirei na ndira tukiariria nwe wetherwe mustarombe akiuga tukurukia itemized budget tingana ndikwithe itemized budget ira twakurukia tari out of our hearts na tutaminite nkorone chiatu is still part ya ndoa na ngwire tembe na ro tugatwirane kaumaga kai that impeachment ya Kawira Mwangaza ethirire assembly re etire senate tugu impeach Kawira Mwangaza baba impeach na baba ta impeach akiatha impeachment na kuruketwe impeach Kawira Mwangaza as the third assembly. In fact it is in other way it impeach Kawira Mwangaza as the third assembly na they to impeach as assembly ye impeachment the law ya assembly mandate ya assembly ethirire ki impeachment igwita Nairobi eumagi senate yeta kotini mandate ya senate ethirire senate so they don't get the MC akiuga atukwandi kwenga Kawira kati kwerwa na te utwira nonto uti MC ukwenga Kawira thai mandate ya kuinga kawira ikinjara chako na dhatu tutuliti muno na mbithwa nditi muno ngwatirite ati ambititi kuinga kawira na kawira itwamwingire assembly. Now it is time for me to realize na ndija oni ndengirwe ndi chairman of finance mbithwa ndi very stupid ngwatirite non chairman of finance na ndengirwe indi but kutha ndetegiririe ntatu eu na nda move on na ni ndathithirie tembe because ni oninchite ne tembe. I don't hold on the past. I believe in tomorrow more than what happened yesterday. It is now the prerogative duty ya members bara korigba kwa bamenye thatu twengire kawira na mandate yetu ethirira au ikotini na the mercy kana the right ya mantu ja kwenga kawira je rest na courts. It is not with us anymore.
So does you as an assembly babu ya assembly kabu kwenda kuwatirana na kawira mwangaza kenda maybe buitiro ngwikiri ward level kana maybe project ira boitamize let's implemented, do you have to unite?
Kintu kia mbere ankurie kawira na atarie ngavana.
Of course yes.
Itu twamutarite
ni akariba Meru.
Ti akariba Meru wamutarite na ndoni ambombi kumba kuga de MCO municipality kawira atitarie ngavana Meru katina mandate ya gwitira Meru ngugi. In fact unu tuno unkumira kimanda gwitira Meru ngugi me mandate ya gwitira Meru ngugi bongo banenkera kawi. It is not with me. I need to move on. Yani uni ntaringire kawira kura ndaringire mithika itwachindirwe na ndinkare nyambatite mithika na itwachindirwe. I won't be stupid. It is the time for me in the movie on. Na ndetikiria kawira no ngavana. Akuja tu mwinga assembly. Uni ogona babetura twingite kawira ngurukia me mwinga jatatu. Assembly ira. Ogo antitwire ku mwinga. Na ndia ala tu mwinga akurema ku mwingira assembly ara tai tu mwinga na ndia kumbi kuingika agwita court. Hanka anjanji. It is impossible. The prerogative duty ya gwitikiria kawira nengi ni assembly senate akwingwi senate na ndia kotini ikwejuka political ekwa urea na ndi tungangana ya koti but na ndia to municipality na ndi karembete twetete mukari akawira akengwa court ija kumbira atiri tembe uko geto kadithia na rua intobia kurea bukathura na amwe kamwe kuro kathithirio bukazubate tawe nuntu nantu ibatete inya bieja na ndi biaya ugo uge mwankariro irio kare na gugwikira ugo tambe orije bondera gote torite nuntu at the end of the day I'm following it to the letter. The item be to the filling station ijiri to the filling station in town ni to the filling station inge makutano. We've brought all the bondas chionde cha municipality na narua bonda more than 3,000. Tuibadithiria big circle a municipality. Mbaete more than 5 million. Ekwambiria circle yao. At the end of the day, bidhu ndi mtu teomei nuntu mathuganiro jothithia bonda tija executive. Mathuganiro jothithia bonda ijakwa as the area MCA. Making grassroots inkwelewa ndakaicha bonda cha town imbi kwenda. You know representation. I'm representing their interest in the assembly. When it comes to the budget, I put their interest in that budget at that level. Nkamiki sure that kaiji ngochibangira mantu jao na I do it. We've started. Dhoko chetu chionda cha municipality. Imbaete more than 1 million. Ila tukondo dhidi ya sako ema mamboga. Bonde ubakari dhoko cha municipality. Ya mugutano na tudhoko tu. I brought them together. I'm doing them a circle. Bidhura kairi ndi mtu utikwero imbia kuthithia ngakaranthi konene nuntu itukorwa ngavana na mbete iji achireterwe twareterwa in national government chiaretwo kia assembly chiarwa tugae tunenkire ngavana oro implement.
So far wina gwatrero na gavana imbi romba ku implement this year.
This year I'm implementing my bonda circle. In fact, we are almost done with the BQs. Iturare na challenge ugere ina wana no menera. We are 90% done. We've met with the bonda sector. We've met with the babangi. To identify terato kodithia. By the way, we've done almost 90%. It is just now giving the contract. came to Robert to implement the project.
So don't you see now division ni governor kureta na babu ba 20 ba 49 ba feel babu na governor kabo ba intimidate because executive na becha na babu yake governor ibabu ward chenu iko na maendeleo the rest
anko ule kioria
yes
uni ukombethiria ngitumira mbeca cia kithe municipality uni ukwaone kauntanga utheri uirite TV ni untanga ukwa ukwithiria ngitumira mbeca cia kithe municipality
batiwe chia of finance Meru County wora ni chair
ndakuria kiuria kimwe akionjokerie
no but
uni mbeca rangu implement municipality ri 20 million kiko kiuria kikao bati onjokerie
yes
20 million ye wondi wingi chio
ziko
now unade pesa ni towe kana kenda bitu mudithi a implement ya mbeca ciawe you see ndakwina ugo itu turaruja na igora tutwaragia ndwa twira twara ndwa mwana wa ito tutiga
no
ndwa Meru Meru ne tutwinde aturone titi tabo gitura watana ya ndwa nande ugo ngwatia ndwa